Welcome to On Tilt Trading. I am currently long in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what I have trading here starting top down. Starting here on the 4-hour chart, we can see here that Bitcoin has been delivering to the buy side here. This divider line that you see here, this orange line, this is a weekly divider. So back here is last week. Everything forward here is this week. And we can see this week, or starting from last week, Bitcoin has started to deliver to the buy side and has continued buy side delivery here. So a long bias here on the 4-hour. Here on the 1-hour chart, this orange line here is a daily divider. If we take a look back here, we can see quite a bit of consolidation in this area here for a few days, and then this price leg comes in right here on Wednesday. We get this bullish price action, the same thing here in this area, and it's this area here on the 15-minute and lower. With that price action coming in, that triggered a trade for me here on the 1-hour chart. This area here, this peach square here is an order block, and inside of that order block you can see, I'll remove that, you see this area here, this is a small but very real fair value gap, a bullish fair value gap, or a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency inside of this candle, this being candle 1, this being candle 2, and this being candle 3 right here. So I was able to get an entry and then took a partial here. And then we can see from this area, price begins to consolidate here and trades within a range. So I hold from taking any action during this point to see if price will make another leg up. Price set up here another buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency right here, or a bullish fair value gap. I traded into this as well right here, and then this morning I missed the London opportunities here. So here is the New York PM high, here is the London high. These are from yesterday. This is the position that I entered. You can see price consolidate and then come up and then sweep out this sell side liquidity, or this buy side liquidity resting above the New York PM session. I was not at my station here, so I missed this opportunity to raid liquidity. So I wound up instead just taking some small profits here, just in case price came back down to my entry and came back against me, and it did right here. So I got out at the break even right here, but then re-entered in a series of positions here, and then scaled out as price delivered to the buy side during the New York AM session open right here. And then for further detail, we'll come up here on the 15-minute. So here's that first entry here. You can see Bitcoin delivering to the sell side, re-delivering to the buy side, pulling back. I take an entry after price pulls back to this 15-minute order block. Price delivers to the buy side, I take some profits, and then, as I mentioned, we get this area of consolidation here. Price sets up for that 60-minute or that 1 hour fair value gap right here. This is that area here on the 15-minute. This is the entry that I take here. Price delivers to the buy side, pulls back, delivers again to the buy side here, sweeps out some liquidity. Again, this is where I missed that liquidity sweep. Took some profits here just in case price turns around and comes back to my entry. This is where I took the profits. Price comes back, takes out my entry, but fails to reach into the order block. So as price delivers back to the buy side, I enter again in a series of positions, and then as you can see, it scale out aggressively all the way to the top of this trade here. I am still sitting in this lower position here, as ultimately my final target up here on the 4-hour chart on that position is last week's high here. So I'm looking for a take profit at 95,972.1, which is the buy side liquidity resting above last week's high. In addition to that, this price action here on the 1-hour chart has just put in a new break of structure with an order block and bullish fair value gap right here. So this is set up for another potential long opportunity here, and then that is set up here on the 15-minute chart here. So this is the order block and fair value gap combo here on the 15-minute, and now I'm just looking for price to come back and test this order block. If it does, then I'll get an entry based on the spread, my entries here, and then look for a continuation back to the buy side, targeting some of these 4-hour targets here, or potentially a higher time frame targets as well, possibly on the daily or even the weekly, as I mentioned, targeting the weekly area. And then for history today, this is the London session when I took the partials after I missed the liquidity sweep. This is me getting stopped out here, which comes up to, I believe, around about a cent or so. And then this is me partialing out all the way up to the, so far to the high of the day, which is the New York AM session. So far a profitable day so far, and still some unrealized BTC here to go, and potentially another position to enter. I'm just going to keep an eye on things as the remainder of the trading day comes into play, and we'll see if I get another entry or if I will get some continuation in the in my primary entry, or if I'm able to take both of these trades to the buy side. If you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Trade safe, trade together. We'll see you next time.